okay? But if both of these Boolean expressions are true, or if both of these Boolean expressions are false, this logical operator produces a false value, okay? So for example, if I want to actually change this value to something else, for example, num1 is less than or equal to 69, and if I change this value, for example, to 78, as you can see here, now it's gonna actually again output the value true to the console. So let's actually run our project. As you can see, it's now actually the value true is now outputted to the console, because this expression, as you can see here, this expression evaluates to true, okay? As you can see, the value of the num1 variable is less than 69, okay? So the value of the num1 variable is 59, and 59 is less than 69. So this expression evaluates to true, okay? And this expression here evaluate to false, okay? The value of the num1 variable is not greater than 78, okay? 59 is not greater than 78. 59 is less than 78. So this expression here evaluates to false. As a result, the value of the entire expression evaluates to true. Now I want to talk about another type of logical operator, the not logical operator, okay? Not logical operator. So in order to use the not logical operator in our Java code, we use this sign in our code, okay? Just press on Shift key plus the number 1 key on your keyboard, okay? As you can see. So in order to use the not logical operator in your Java code, we use this symbol. This logical operator reverses the value of a Boolean expression in the same way that a minus sign reverses the positive or negative sign on a number, okay? So now let me show you some real examples, okay? So the data type of my variable is int, and the name of my variable is first number, okay? And then I want to assign a value to my variable, for example, 25. So now I want to create another Boolean variable. So the data type of my variable is Boolean, and the name of my variable is, for example, can get a job, okay? And then I assign a value to my variable, for example, false. And then at the end of my statement, I need to put in a semicolon, okay? So now I want to change the value of this Boolean variable here. So I just need to refer to the name of my variable, can get a job. And then I want to assign a value to my variable, okay? So here I want to actually use an expression, okay? I just need to put in parentheses, and then inside the parentheses, I can put the expression, okay? So I want to actually refer to the name of my first number variable in order to read its value. So as you can see here, I use the capital T here. This is wrong, okay? I need to use the lowercase letter, okay? Because this letter is part of my first word, okay? So here I need to refer to the name of my variable in order to read its value, first number. Now I want to tell the computer that first number must be less than 50. Okay, and then at the end of my statement, I need to put in a semicolon, okay? So now I want to output the value of this variable to the console, system.out.println, and then inside the parentheses, I need to refer to the name of my variable, can get a job, okay? And then at the end of my statement, I need to put in a semicolon. So if I run my project now, as you can see, it outputs this value to the console, true. Okay, this value is the value of this can get a job variable, okay? So this expression here evaluates to true. Why? Because the value of the first number variable is 25, and 25 is less than 50. Okay, so this expression evaluates to true. So now I want to use the not operator here. So in order to use the not operator in our code, we need to put the not operator before the Boolean expression. So as you can see, this is our Boolean expression. Now I want to put the not operator here. So now let me actually run my project. As you can see, this value is now false, okay? The value false is now outputted to the console. So the not operator reverses the value of a Boolean expression in the same way that the minus sign reverses the positive or negative sign on a number, Okay, as you can see, not operator reverses the value of this expression. So for example, as you can see, first number is less than 50. So this expression evaluates to true, okay? But this not operator here reverses that true value to false value, okay? And that's why you see the false value is outputted to the console. So for example, if I now change this value here to 20, as you can see, so now let me actually run my project and see what happens. The value that is outputted to the console is true. So what's going on here? So let me explain to you once again. As you can see, this expression here evaluates to false. The value of the first number variable is 25, okay? So 25 is not less than 20. So the value of this entire expression evaluates to false. But this not operator here reverses the value of a Boolean expression, okay? This not operator reverses that false value to true value. True value, so that's why we see the true value here in the console, okay? So this is very important. So now if I, for example, change this number to 30, now let me run my project. So as you can see, the value false is outputted to the console, okay? First number is less than 30. So this expression evaluates to true, okay? And this not operator reverses that true value to false value. So now let me actually change this number to, for example, 10. So as you can see here, the value true is outputted to the console, okay? So this expression here evaluates to false, okay? The value of this first number variable 25 is not less than 10, okay? So this expression evaluates to false. And this not operator reverses that false value to true value, okay? So that's why we see this true value in the console, okay? So I think that's enough for this tutorial. And if you have any question, please post a discussion in the course. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.